Hi, today I want to show you how to deal with the if you need a solder standoff like that to the PCB. Need to be really sit on the PCB, and it's really easy. So the best way will be use the solder paste. Add the solder paste on the area around. Not too much. Just like that. Then you can put your and press firmly like that and sit well. Again, the same with rest of the holes. Sorry, my hand's shaking because I try to not press too hard. It's just enough to make sure it's enough of the solder paste. The solder paste is you've got a good advantage because it's the mix with solder and flux. It's mean 2-in-1 solution. You don't need to use the flux to make the surface really nice and easy to solder. Just do like that, yeah. And then I use the soldering iron. I choose from my selection of the different tips, the bigger one, the most powerful one, and I set the temperature to maximum, which is 450, and it's the same for the heat gun. I set the heat gun also to 450, but I put the minimum airflow. This means I want to concentrate the heat on the components. Let me try to make the better view of that. Yeah, maybe like that will be better. Yeah. And there's two ways. You can just keep blowing in the center, really center the hot air, but the quickest way, and I think it's better because you not put too much stress to the PCB, is just touch with your soldering iron and you see what's happened when the heat is transferred from the soldering iron. You see that effect? It's mean the heat going and melts the tin plating. And now it's really perfectly done. I just add little bit more solder on the end just to make sure it's enough. Yeah, now it's really nice. And the next one, the same. Bang. Ready. Keep blowing. Add a little bit more solder. Perfect. Next one. Okay. Little bit of solder. Yeah, see. Next is ready. Always make sure when you solder you working with the good ventilated the room, because you don't wanna breathe this fumes. As you can see, is some lot of fumes coming. Yeah, that's it. As you can see, is done. Don't touch. Wait a moment to cool down, because if you now move that, when it's that shiny, it means it's still melted, and it's easy to make the create what we call the cold solder, which means is like cold solder, dry joint. Sorry, I'm translate. I'm still sometimes in my head some Polish names. This mean we use the cold solder in Poland, but this mean here the dry joint. But yeah, nice and easy. Then on the other side. And you know, it's give you a really good electrical and mechanical connection. That's it. It was really short video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.